Welcome to our ultimate guide on experiencing the breathtaking Masai Mara, a wildlife paradise that is often associated with luxury safaris. But today, we are here to show you that you do not need a deep wallet to experience the magic of this African gem. In this video, we will dive into the essentials of planning an unforgettable safari without breaking the bank. From understanding the costs involved, including accommodation, park fees, and transportation, to sharing insider tips that can help you save money while maximizing your experience, we've got you covered. We will also discuss what to expect during your visit, including the best times to go, the wildlife you might encounter, and how to make the most of your time in this stunning national reserve. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time adventurer, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to explore Masai Mara affordably. So, if you're ready to discover how to embark on a thrilling safari experience without overspending, stick around. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. When planning a budget safari in Masai Mara, it's essential to understand the various costs involved. Let's break it down into key categories. First, accommodation can range from budget lodges to campsites, with prices typically between $20 to $100 per night. Camping is the most economical option, while budget lodges offer more comfort at a slightly higher price. Websites like Airbnb or local travel forums can help you discover hidden gems. Booking your accommodations and park entry in advance can lead to significant savings. Many lodges offer discounts for early bookings, so planning ahead can ensure you get the best deals. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable budget safari in Masai Mara. Packing efficiently is key to avoiding extra luggage fees. Stick to the essentials: lightweight clothing, a good pair of binoculars, and a reusable water bottle. Remember, you can always do laundry at budget lodges, so you don't need to overpack. Next, transportation is crucial. If you're traveling from Nairobi, a budget bus can cost around $10 to $15, while shared shuttles to the park may range from $30 to $50. Once in Masai Mara, consider joining a group safari vehicle, which can be more affordable, averaging $50 to $100 per day. Park fees are another significant expense, with daily entry fees averaging around $80 per person, which are approximately $70 per day for non-residents. These fees contribute to the conservation of this stunning ecosystem. Don't forget about hidden costs, such as tips for guides and drivers, which can add up to $10 to $20 per day. Food costs can vary, but budgeting around $10 to $20 per day for meals is reasonable if you choose local eateries or self-cater. To maximize savings, consider traveling during the off-peak season or booking as a group, which can lead to significant discounts on accommodations and tours. Take the time to research local guides who offer affordable safari experiences. Many knowledgeable guides provide personalized tours at a fraction of the cost of larger tour companies. Look for reviews and recommendations online to find the best options. Planning a budget safari in Masai Mara can be an exciting adventure, and with the right tips, you can save money while enjoying the experience. First, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, typically from April to June and September to October. The low season in November offers lower prices and fewer crowds, allowing you to enjoy the park's beauty in peace while saving money on accommodations and tours. When visiting Masai Mara, there are several must-see attractions and activities that will make your trip unforgettable. First and foremost, the Great Migration is a spectacular event that occurs between July and October, where millions of wildebeest and zebras traverse the plains in search of greener pastures. Witnessing this natural phenomenon is a bucket list experience for any wildlife enthusiast. In addition to wildlife viewing, immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Maasai people. Engage in traditional dances, visit local villages, and learn about their customs and way of life, which adds a unique cultural dimension to your safari. For those seeking adventure, consider a hot air balloon ride at dawn. This breathtaking experience offers a bird's-eye view of the savannah and its wildlife, followed by a champagne breakfast upon landing. Night safaris are another unique opportunity, allowing you to spot nocturnal animals in their natural habitat. These experiences truly capture the essence of Masai Mara and should not be missed. While Masai Mara is famous for its iconic wildlife and stunning landscapes, there are plenty of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. For a unique wildlife viewing experience, venture to the lesser-known areas like the Mara North Conservancy. This region offers fewer crowds and the chance to see diverse wildlife, including elusive species like the African wild dog. For an authentic cultural experience, visit local markets in nearby villages such as Atong or Talak. Here, you can interact with the Maasai people, purchase handmade crafts, and savor traditional foods, giving you a deeper understanding of their vibrant culture. Don't forget to explore lesser-known trails and viewpoints within the reserve. Places like the Olololo Escarpment provide breathtaking panoramic views of the Mara landscape, providing stunning panoramic views of the Mara Plains, especially at sunrise or sunset. This off-the-beaten-path spot is perfect for those seeking tranquility and breathtaking scenery without the hustle and bustle of popular viewpoints. Exploring Masai Mara doesn't have to be expensive, and there are plenty of budget-friendly activities that offer enriching experiences. One great option is self-guided walking safaris, where you can traverse the park at your own pace. This allows you to connect with nature and observe wildlife up close while enjoying the tranquility of the savannah. Consider joining community-led tours, which often provide insights into local culture and traditions at a fraction of the cost of commercial tours. These experiences not only support the local economy but also offer a more authentic perspective of the Maasai way of life. For budget meals, pack a picnic and head to scenic spots like the Mara River or the picnic areas near the park gates. Enjoying a meal surrounded by nature is both refreshing and cost-effective. Additionally, many attractions within the park, such as stunning viewpoints and wildlife sightings, are free or low cost, allowing you to experience the beauty of Masai Mara without overspending. During my budget safari in Masai Mara, one moment stands out vividly. I remember waking up before dawn, the air crisp and filled with anticipation. Armed with a packed breakfast, I set out on a self-guided walking safari along the Mara River. As the sun began to rise, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, I stumbled upon a herd of elephants drinking at the water's edge. The sight was breathtaking, and I felt a profound connection to nature in that serene moment. The journey taught me that amazing experiences don't have to come with a hefty price tag. With a little planning and an open heart, you can create unforgettable memories in Masai Mara without overspending. As we wrap up our journey through planning a budget safari in Masai Mara, it's clear that with the right preparation, you can experience this incredible destination without breaking the bank. We discussed the importance of understanding costs, from accommodation and transportation to park fees, ensuring you have a clear budget in mind. We also highlighted valuable tips for finding affordable options, such as visiting during the shoulder seasons and exploring local markets for authentic cultural experiences. Remember, the hidden gems and budget-friendly activities we shared can lead to enriching moments that make your safari truly special. So, whether you're witnessing the Great Migration or enjoying a picnic by the river, Masai Mara has so much to offer for every traveler. Happy travels, and may your Masai Mara experience be unforgettable.